Are you ready to trade those dull and gloomy days for a burst of vibrant energy? Step into the colorful world of Granby Row M1 student accommodation in Manchester, where a lively ambience awaits to chase away any hint of homesickness you might have. Located in the heart of Manchester, the property offers a variety of tastefully designed studio apartments. Step inside the room and you'll find everything you need, from a comfy bed to ample storage space. And the best part, your very own private kitchen where you can kickstart your journey toward becoming a Michelin star chef. But it's not just about the apartments. Granby Row M1 provides an exceptional array of common amenities, including a vibrant residence lounge, a sleek co-working area, an exclusive in-house art studio, and a state-of-the-art gym. Just 6 minutes drive down the road, you'll find the University of Manchester. And if you're ready to step out into the city, Manchester Piccadilly train station is within a convenient 6-minute walk from the property. Craving the fragrance of coffee beans, Cafe North and Federal Cafe Bar at a stone's throw to satiate all your caffeine cravings. So, are you ready to embark on a truly unforgettable student journey at the Cottonopolis of the Victorian-era Manchester? Head over to amberstudent.com to book your stay today.